Vegetable oils can be used as an insecticide because they block the breathing holes of insects.
In addition, the oil also suffocates insect larvae when it coats the eggs.
Finally, the oil also acts as a repellent, so it also has a preventive action. I am Buenaventura Rodriguez, a graduate in cellular and molecular biology, and in this video, I will show you how to prepare an oil-based solution that you can use as an insecticide. You will need vegetable oil, which you can buy in supermarkets, or even used oil from your kitchen. If you use used oil, try to filter it so that impurities do not clog the applicator. You could apply the oil directly, but you would need large quantities to cover the plant. The ideal would be to send small quantities of oil mixed with water, just enough to form an oily film to smother the insects. If you've tried to mix oil and water, you will have noticed that it is very difficult. If you shake hard, small bubbles of oil may form, but they tend to separate again from the water. To mix water and oil, we need an emulsifier that disperses the oil in the form of small droplets in suspension. We would then obtain an emulsion, which is a mixture of two or more liquids that do not tend to stick together. Examples of emulsions we have at home are milk, which is an emulsion of water and animal fats, and mayonnaise, which is an emulsion of water and oil. The emulsifier has a hydrophilic, water-attracting part and a hydrophobic, oil-attracting part. Its chemical properties keep the oil droplets separated in the water. We have some commonly used emulsifiers in our homes, such as mustard, egg yolk, soy lecithin, or tomato sauce. I usually use mustard as an emulsifier. How to mix oil, emulsifier, and water.
To make the insecticide with oil, we must first mix well the water with the emulsifier.
The dosage of oil to be used is 2.5 to 3% in water. Put 5 liters of water in a container or sprayer. Add a generous squirt of hot dog mustard. Shake the container well to mix the mustard with the water. Then add 125-150 cc of oil and shake the container vigorously for 10 seconds. You now have the oil suspension ready to apply to your plants. When applying the liquid, try to apply it from the bottom upwards. It is on the underside of the leaves that insects tend to take refuge. Try to be generous with the application because the surfaces must be wet. Shake the tank every 5 minutes so that the oil is evenly distributed in the liquid. I usually apply oil every 10 to 15 days, but I have not done extensive research on the ideal frequency of application. It is normal that in the following days after application you will see live insects. They were not suffocated by the oil, but most likely they will eventually leave the plant because the oil also has a repellent action. Precautions you should take before applying oils as insecticides. Avoid applying insecticides to bees or other beneficial insects. According to the recommendations of the University of Colorado for the application of oils in agriculture, you should not apply when the temperature is above 30 dC or when there is water stress on plants. You should also not mix the oil with sulfur products. Be aware that the application of oils can be harmful to some plants. Apply only to one part of a plant and wait several days to check that it is not harmful. It is important to use a mask when applying oils in agriculture. Oils act by suffocating insects by blocking their breathing holes. It can also cause an oily film to form in the bronchial tubes, preventing you from breathing. In the description of this video, you can see links to research on the use of plant oils as insecticides. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you found it useful. Please share it with your friends and family so that we can reduce our dependence on chemical pesticides.